on my way. Julie's out by closing.
They keep stabbing me. I need help.
Where you at? Where you?
I'm gonna make a whack mistake.
Let's get him.
Let's get him, bro.
Hell yeah.
Fuck yeah, bro. Stay on my right side. You can run, but you can't hide. What? Damn, he went that way. To the hole.
Ah, wound's already out. Alright.
Damn it. Pop my hand. They all on me. They all on me. The fuck? Pop my. God damn, they're jumping me. They all on me. Like all of them.
I'm on my way. Julie's out by closing.
They keep stabbing me. I need help.
Where you at? Where you at?
I'm downstairs. I need help, bro. They keep stabbing me.
I see you. I see you.
God damn it. Get that, Johnny. Get him, Johnny.
Yeah. He's in the toolbox over here.
Okay. It's one of them upstairs. One of them upstairs.
Yeah, it's probably Julie. Dude, all these barricades are in the way. I have to go around a bit. Yeah, I see the doors open on this one over here. Upstairs, round one.
Alright, I'm head upstairs. Damn, they already over there? One of them already on car battery.
Damn, yeah, alright, heading over. Oh, it's Julie.
I started my chainsaw, but I got off it. There's two over here. Oh, you so weak. You're so weak. Got one. Another one weak. Another one weak. He's going around.
Yeah, I got the cone.
He's on me. He's on me. He's still on me.
I got the one I wanted. I'm happy. There's Leland right behind me. Leland, I think, jumped down hole. But let's lock up battery gate.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, it always sucks. I was letting Julie live. You murdered. That's funny as fuck.
Yeah. Damn, I want to leave him. He popped my ass.
Sorry, I got the jewel. I mean, I got the Connie. I'm happy. That dude was being a little pecker. Now he's dead.
Yeah.
He's over here hiding. He's being a little bitch. I don't know where he went. But he's over here. Oh, shack over here, left side. See him crawling right here.
Good to go.
Got his ass.
Yeah, these level 10 scrubs. Time to go back to work.
Fucking go. Let's fucking go. Y'all just gonna jump me and get away with it? The fuck?
Yeah, when you said that, I was like, I'm on my fucking way.
Bro, they were beating my ass. Bro, they were beating my ass. God damn.
Why the fuck would I do that?
Dude.
I guarantee you, because fucking what's your shake face is going. Oh, you want to pull out?
No. I want to see if he trades.
Yeah, I
This
got
is
you,
a
bro.
hero.
Oh,
Hell yeah!
I got you, bro.
Thank you. Oh wow, level 9 sissy, Jesus Christ. This man is already ready.
Hell yeah. I'm really
Ready to fuck these fucking virgins up right now?
Bro, fuck you.
What the fuck some virgins?
Whoa, whoa,
Tear
whoa!
that ass up.
Oh
Whoa.
Whoa, whoa,
bro,
black
whoa.
man! Nobody stop.
Ready up, nigga. Ready up. Ready up, nigga. Ready up, nigga. You're talking through a microwave. What the fuck?
Gooby's white as hell, bro. You're hitting that hard R?
Bro, ready up.
Gooby, ready up. Come on, Ruby.
Fuck you, I'm making you wait your time. Oh, wait, I'm making you wait 1 minute.
Oh no, Gooby.
Bro, her toes are so
They'll see
dirty.
before this is over.
Delicious.
What the fuck?
What?
I'll clean those toes up with my tongue.
Oh
Bro,
my god,
yeah.
this guy's under control.
I'm gonna get the thing over here. Where the fuck is it?
Yeah, I got car battery right now.
Which one are you at?
Car battery.
Car battery.
For which one? Oh god. There's 2. Are you the slaughterhouse one?
Oh, yeah.
I found Connie.
Yeah, you are. Oh, you got that one. Cool, cool.
Yeah.
I'll go for the other one. Let me lock these doors.
I really should have went Trapper, because Trapper is just so much easier to fuck.
Chasing Connie. Run the fucking whole map.
Trapper's so much easier, so you could like, you know, trap stuff, so you cut off certain areas. It's so much faster.
Put the facility down. I'm gonna go turn this shit on.
If you dare to look at them, soon you will be dead.
I need one more, and then I need one more, and I get.
That's me making all that noise.
Grandpa finna be level 1.
Hell yeah.
I'm fucking him up down here too.
Yeah, I got Grandpa. He level 1 right now.
Are you
Hell yeah.
drink this?
Fuck you talking about?
Alright, the generator's not over here.
Finna go down with you.
Dude, they can't open a fucking door. I love it.
I'm coming down right now.
Fucking. Bitch, get off that fucking door.
Just a touch, and
He was down here. Make sure to lock that bitch up.
Yeah, I got you. Grandpa,
Oh shit, they got out. They got out. What the fuck? They must have been in another door. Let's go up.
Yeah, okay.
We split up.
Go.
Where you going, bitch?
I'm gonna lock this shit. Oh, damn, I'm retarded.
Grandpa!
Yeah,
I
Grandpa!
found Sonny. I found Sonny.
I'm
Yo.
coming.
He just crawled under. He's
Sorry.
crawling again.
I'm up.
You
I've
see him?
entered the fight.
No.
I've entered the fight. You see him?
Yeah, he's marked. He went in the
Showing
blue
some
container.
shit. It's like one of their favorite places to fucking crawl through. I'll get this one over here now next to Grandpa.
I'm cutting him off right now.
Oh, you on something right now?
Yeah. He's in the blue container. I marked him.
Okay, bet.
He's going to the middle right now.
Damn, you can mark people? What the fuck?
Yeah, when I hit him.
He's going back, he's going back, he's going back! You guys stay on the other side, dude. Alright,
Where
kill
is
him.
I'm on him right now, I'm on him right now.
He's on you, Addy.
Got his
Gotcha.
ass.
Stab him!
I'm grabbing him. We're struggling.
Oh, shit. I thought you finished him off.
Oh, he hit me. Get him.
Got his ass.
Yeah!
First one dead, boy.
I told you he was gonna die first, boy. Cut you up like a Wagyu steak.
Yo, they're going to the generator. I saw them open doors over there.
Okay, bet.
Wait, left or right? I'm gonna go right.
You wanna see
I'll just
Grandpa?
double check it over here. You check that side, check this side.
I'm checking back
Grandpa,
here.
sit level 2.
Alright, this side's locked. The side that we always try to get out of, Addy,
Yeah.
still locked.
Okay, this door's locked over here. I'm gonna check the other side right now. They're going this way. Follow me. To the generator. I saw him.
Okay, bet.
Tracking the fucking things right now.
I'm over.
I'm gonna still lock it though. You said towards generator or towards
Yeah,
carburetor?
generator. He opened it.
Okay,
He's
bet,
back
bet.
here.
Here we go.
I mean, we got Sonny.
Damn, they turned it off.
Yep, I'm heading there right now. You gotta unlock it. Oh, he hit me. Fuck. Yeah, you see him. I'm gonna turn it back on.
I gotta hit it.
Little thing.
I'm searching trunk.
So
You ready?
one of them downstairs. He went down the well.
I'm gonna turn this thing back on.
Alright, bet.
It's on cooldown.
I'm gonna head back towards the middle.
It's still locked. You have to unlock it.
Yeah, just to get that shit back on, we're good.
Yeah. I'm so happy we killed him first.
Oh god.
This door's unlocked permanently.
I'm turning it back on.
Grandpa finna be level 3.
I'm just gonna destroy all the obstacles over here, Addy.
Yeah.
There.
Good
It's
thing.
all right,
I'm gonna go
Grandma.
check on generator.
Yeah.
Oh, it's on. I just turned it on. We're back here. We're heading
No,
back
he's
right
going to the other one.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You know what I can do, Addy? Go through here, I can latch it. It'll be just a little more annoying. Go. Walk through the fucking door, you piece of shit.
now.
God.
Latch it?
Yeah,
No,
like
let me latch it. I can open.
this,
I can open.
I latched the door over here.
Oh, okay.
So there's only one door they can get through now.
All right, perfect.
You can latch this one too. Okay.
You think they're trying to do basement?
What I'm worried about.
I can start patrolling down there again.
There's only one door to the other one? Or is it two?
So you got the valve, and then
Valve
you
is
got
still
that. And there's two doors to the other side, yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna check. One of them's still locked, so I'm gonna check the other one. This one's open. This one's open.
Alright.
Where are you at? In the back?
Yeah, going towards the other one.
All right. You guys go. I'll patrol this one back here. Just
Yeah,
in
they
case.
might try to split push. I'm coming.
Alright, I'm back here. Yeah, they on it right now. They're on it right now.
Go, go, go. Get him, get him, get him. I'm away. I'm almost there.
Yeah, she didn't stop it though. She ain't have time. She's down the well. She's down the well. She's down the well. Damn, I didn't get her.
How many were back there?
One.
He opened his door again. Back here.
Yeah, go that side.
Here he goes.
It was just one over here. And,
Oh, they unlocked it immediately.
yeah,
She unlocked it
she went down the
immediately.
well. She went down the well.
All right, now, where are you?
She escaped.
Damn.
Fucking hell.
You gotta close that door and lock that gen, bro.
I did. I just closed it, but
They
she did the
unlocked this
insta.
one already.
Y'all chill over there. I'll chill over here.
Alright. I'm finna go feed Grandpa and then get him to level 5. No! Fuck. Grandpa!
Yeah, I'm guarding this side.
It's time to call time from behind you. The
fuck did
illusion
she
has
go?
just been a dream.
Alright, I got Grandpa level 5.
Valley of death and I'll find you.
Okay, what if you guys charge the generator over here while I watch the gate? Because if I go charge it, they might just run out.
Level 5 right now. No hiding.
Here we go. I'm gonna start running for them if they're near me. Yeah, they're near
Two
me.
over here. Two over here on my side.
Oh shit.
Leatherface, you still over there, right?
They stunned me, but they can't get that battery off, I don't think.
Okay, I'm on the way.
Got one. The other one's out here somewhere. You can't get the stun off.
He's weak. He's one hit, he's right here. Get him, behind you. Turn around, turn around, turn around. To your left, to your left, to your left. In the grass, in the grass.
He's gonna go for the well.
Damn. Get him.
He should get stunned.
Okay, good. I'm gonna head back now.
Yeah, incapacitated. Stun went off.
Alright, I'll wait over here. I'm probably gonna head this way.
Alright, you stay over here. I'm the fastest, so I'm gonna go down there.
Alright.
You grab that gen, and I should be able to get this kill. Easy.
I'm probably gonna try to like make some more concoctions. If I can find it. Oh, what should I?
Grandpa the fucking kill. I'm on him.
Bro, we locking shit down, boy. Stop playing.
He's coming up.
We locking shit down. Don't even need a trapper. Grandpa!
I'm on him.
Let go of your fear.
He's coming to you, Addy.
Holding you back.
Good.
When the eagle flies, we will
Coming straight to you.
Keep him coming. I see him.
God damn
He's
it.
struggling with me right now.
Almost there.
You
Why'd
see
he hit
that
the
glitch?
fucking ground?
Yeah, you see that?
He just stabbed me.
Where'd he go?
Beat his ass. He's at the ground.
I can't hit him. He's underground now. What the fuck?
He's underground?
No, like he like Oh, I guess we killed him? Okay.
Yeah, he's
Let's
dead.
fucking go, bro.